guys, it's your girl Jasmine Sade, and I'm back with another video.
Like where you at. I like everything about you. Everything about you.
Yes, I got a relaxer, so my hair is no longer nappy. But I have HelloFresh. I know what you're thinking. Jay, you are the cheapest person I know. I know dang well you didn't just pay for HelloFresh. No, I did not. Did not pay for HelloFresh. I got a discount when I ordered my books for grad school. Chick gave me like an $80 discount thing and free shipping and all that. So I got HelloFresh. This video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but it is featuring HelloFresh. So I just want to do an unboxing really quick, and then we'll go from there. So let's see what all the hype is about. It says, you have questions, we have answers. So one question said, what ingredients should I have on hand? It says salt, pepper, oil, sugar, and butter. Obviously, if you want to cook. I was wondering were they going to give you the seasonings with the food or what they was going to do. So guess that's a no, which is fine. But like if you're cooking, you should have your own sauce and seasoning. I'm just saying. So you have these meal cards, which are huge, by the way. Like, these are like the size of a placemat, which is really good too, because I thought I was going to be working from this little bitty thing, and it's better than a small thing. So, created meal additions. So this first sheet is the meal addition sheet. So like if you go on the website and you choose your meal, I think the options are from a family size of 2 to 6, or maybe it's 2 and 4. I don't know. 2 and 4, and then you have so many meals you can get a week. So like a 3 meal or something and a something. I don't know. I got the 2-person 3 meal, which it's just me, Reese and Coco, but I'm not feeding them. So I actually can eat off of 1 box for 6 days. That's a whole week for me, which is pretty good. Once you choose your 3 meals that you want, you can have them. It goes to the bottom and they ask you, do you want to add anything? You have the option of chicken breast, Annie's crescent roll dough, garlic bread, and shrimp. And it gives you recipes with these if you order them. And it also has Annie's flaky biscuits, Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownies, which I already have these. You get them at Walmart. Bacon and chocolate chip cookie dough, campfire cookies. So I did order the garlic bread because I wanted to eat it with my pasta that I got. Or one of the things I got was pasta, I think. And I also ordered bacon because I wanted bacon on my burger. Because you know I can't eat fast food. I'm not eating fast food. So one of my meals is a burger and fries. So that's that, man. This is my first meal. It is the Melty Monetary Jack Burger. This actually looks really good. Aside from the fact that I do not do onions. But okay. And it calls for red onion jam. And it has 6 steps on the back to make it. The second meal is beef tenderloin with brown butter roasted garlic. And the little veggies they come with, I don't know what the veggies are. Shallots and carrots. I don't eat shallots, but I guess I'll try them. And potatoes. And then the third meal is pork and veggie bibimbap. Yeah, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but we just don't go with it. This is that. All of them have 6 steps on the back to make. I'm just gonna show them to you guys. I feel like I'm far away. So this is the front of it. And then this will be the 6-step direction situation. They also tell you the prep time. So, let's get into this box. This is supposed to be an insulated cold thing, so that way your package is left outside and you're not there. It keeps it cold so you can refrigerate it. I don't feel too much cold air coming out here now. Oh, and the meals are individually wrapped, which is nice. This is my garlic bread. My butter is kind of stuck to my paper, but you know. This is my pork and veggie bibimbap. Oh, this is extremely cold. Pork and veggie bibimbap. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it sounds funny. Oh, that was rude, phone. This is gourmet beef tenderloin with brown butter roasted veggies. This is my milk tea monetary jack burgers. So today is Wednesday, which is also when they told me my package would be delivered. I thought this would be delivered in time for me to eat my first dinner today. It did not. By the time I had actually ate, my food was being delivered, and I was just like, And my parents will be here Saturday, because we have some business stuff to handle. So we're going out to eat. No, it won't be fast food. We'll eat healthy like I did last time. But I guess I'll just eat this whenever. I eat one tomorrow, one Friday, and then I guess one Sunday. Or actually, because I got 6 meals technically because it's for 2 people. So please don't fall. And it says, don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. Okay. Okay. This is next. Okay. So you have the beef tenderloin. Oh, okay. The meat is individually wrapped. That's nice. Beef tenderloin for the beef tenderloin with brown butter roasted veggies. You have the bacon. I told you guys I got extra. This is some thick bacon, baby. Now this is some bacon. This is some bacon that you put. This is nice bacon. Cause you know how you go to Wendy's and you get the baconator and then the bacon. No, scratch that. The baconator is amazing. But you know how you go somewhere and get a burger and it has bacon on it and the bacon be like so thin it's like a sheet of paper. This some thick. Let me show you how thick this is. This some thick bacon. See this? I just hope it don't shrivel up when I cook it. Okay. Then you have, not really sure what this is. Oh, it's ground pork. Yeah, it's wet. It's like dripping. Then we have ground beef. Is this what I'm supposed to separate this and make the burgers? Hey guys, so. There's everything in the box. So I'll open up one bag just to see what's on the inside. I like that they have these individually wrapped though, so you don't have to figure out what goes with what. This is already ready to go. Oh, you have 2 buns. Get it? 2 buns. It's monetary jack cheese. Don't come here. Mayonnaise, and it has the HelloFresh label on it. That's kind of cute. Ketchup, nice. Monetary jack. Oh, I guess it's 1 per burger. This says Colabita balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. Eesh. 1 onion. Don't do onions. Garlic cloves. Fry seasoning. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potatoes to make into fries. Most definitely won't be cooking this tonight. So this is going to be a 4-part video. And this is part 1. Okay. Bye!